Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, especially quality skincare. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe to my channel. I am all about sharing luxury skincare, or as I like to call it, quality skincare. I'm not like the other channels where I share affordable skincare or easy to access skincare. I think I like to share skincare that I think works best for my skin, and I like to kind of talk about just my experiences with brands that maybe other brands don't like to, or other people don't like to discuss due to price. It's just how I roll. And yeah, so if you're interested in that and you want to hear some good reviews on brands that are really good that people don't really talk about because of price, then definitely subscribe to this channel. I like to review these products. I think they work really great for my skin. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to see updates on my personal life and just join in on the fun. You guys, let's cut right to the chase because I've been talking about this brand like here and there on my socials, but let's get right into it and let's start talking about my newest obsession. And it is this brand called Auteur. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, I'm reviewing in this video. It's called their Definitive Enzyme Cleanser right here. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, okay. I'm so excited to just like, I don't even know, like I've been using this brand every single day since I received the products. Now, I don't even know what to say because I think I found my newest obsession next to MER. Like, this is a really big video and like announcement for me because you know, like if you've been following me for the past couple of years, you guys know I'm a MER junkie. Like, you guys know it. Anybody who's watched me knows I champion MER. I love MER. MER always wins all my competitions when I, play this versus that. And like MER is it for me. But you guys, I have found, or this brand has found me, I have found it. I have found a brand that has truly transformed my skin, and I truly mean it. It is called Auteur. It is a German skincare company. It's kind of marketed as French. I don't really care. The brand is just that freaking good. It has taken my skin from here to here. Like, it is just, this is like my MER level, and then like Auteur just kind of took it from here to like from MER to here. So let's just get right into it. Auteur is it's a luxury pharmaceutical brand. And now I know what you guys are thinking. Well, isn't that like a SkinCeuticals? No. No, like SkinCeuticals can't even compare to this brand. Like, this is like the ultra mega luxury pharmaceutical skincare brand ever. Like, when you think AHAs and you think like retinoids and you think enzyme cleanser and you think exfoliation cleanser and you think like chemical exfoliation cleanser and vitamin C cleanser, you kind of start thinking irritation and like, oh God, like how is my skin gonna react? And I don't know, like that's what I was thinking. When you're working with a brand like Auteur that is just top tier, I got nothing but the best results and the best outcome and zero irritation. This brand is just, I can't even, first of all, it's made my skin super soft, which like obviously, but like I'm talking like, I know like MER makes your skin super soft, but this just actually makes your skin itself soft. Like, there's no like emollients or anything in here that's like adding to the softness, like in the ingredients. Like, it genuinely just like makes your skin soft. It exfoliates your skin so beautifully with the enzymes that it's just so mixed together. It's got great high concentrations that work so delicately and beautifully with your skin that it's just like incredible. Now, I only use this cleanser at night because I want to preserve it. It's $170 for this cleanser. It is a powder to foam cleanser. I'm gonna apply it during this video, do not worry. I don't take it in the shower with me. It's glass. The packaging, it's heavy, it's glass. It's got this amazing tortoise shell top. You twist it off like this, and then out comes the product here. And then this would all be glass, which is honestly, it's stunning. Stunning. And then of course, I mean, the packaging, it comes in this amazing, you know, great packaging. It's all gold, and then it comes all propped up like this, and then the ingredients here, packaging, just super, super elegant, beautiful, luxurious, everything it's supposed to be. It's everything you've ever dreamed of, quite frankly. That's just self-explanatory, but let me just, the purpose of this cleanser is it's supposed to reveal a smoother and more even skin texture. Totally does. Totally helps with discoloration, totally cleared my skin. My skin has this natural glow. I've noticed that my subscribers, you guys have even been saying in my videos, like, Morgan, oh my God, like you guys have been even noticing it. Like in my videos, in my stories, I notice a lot of you guys have been noticing my skin getting better and better. And you guys have even said my skin has never looked better. It's because of Auteur. I'm serious, it cleared my skin. All redness gone. My pores have never looked better. Like, seriously. So it enhances your skin's radiance totally. Your skin is so glowy, so soft, so clear, so even after using this cleanser. Supports a healthy cellular metabolism. So it's great. So you dispense a quarter-size amount of powder into the palm of your hand, slowly adding water to emulsify into a liquid before applying. Massage into dry or damp skin. I use this in the shower most of the time, allowing the treatment to penetrate for at least 60 seconds before rinsing with lukewarm water. They like you to leave it on for 60 seconds. And even when I was talking about it, you could even just kind of apply this on and just let it sit on your face like a mini facial as just like a beautiful, like deep conditioning treatment, which is stunning. I do that. I love to let this cleanser kind of just sit on my face as a great, like kind of like exfoliating mask for a minute. I think that's beautiful, and it really works nicely. So definitely look into that and try that with this. When used as part of an evening routine, remove cosmetics or sun care products as part of the double cleanse prior to using enzyme cleanser. When you're using a cleanser like this, you want to remove everything. Like, don't waste this. Like, this has a lot of really good ingredients in here. Get rid of the makeup, get rid of the sun protection, use it at night so you get the best ingredients out of it. Don't, like, I will always use my Auteur products at night. At night, enough babbling. Let's get this on my, let's start applying it. I have nothing on my face. I woke up like this. I have last night's skincare on my face right now, and that would be Auteur. Auteur. So this is last night's skin. I'm gonna go cleanse with this specifically for this video. Normally I'd be applying it at night, but for you guys, it's going on in the day. Let's get it cleansing. Okay, you guys, I'm going to start my cleansing routine with the Auteur cleanser. I'm going to twist the cap off, and as you can see, the powder is going to get poured right into my hands, and I'm going to pour on about a quarter size amount. It comes out super, super easy. So now I just sprinkle on just a little bit of water to get it activated, and I just start rubbing it right on my hands. This really activates everything and gets the suds really mixing up. As you can see, I don't really get a huge lather with this cleanser. It never really gives me this big lather, and that is quite all right. I've never found this to make the product not very effective. Now I'm going to start rubbing it on my face. And now I just like to spend 60 seconds, and I just love to massage it all over my face. I love to make sure I get it in all of my crevices, all on my jawline, all on my forehead. It's so important that I really just disperse this really, really well all over my face. Main ingredients in this cleanser are Zymolift MD, that is intelligent enzymes targeting and refining skin's texture, citric acid that gently exfoliates, fruit-derived AHA that reveals brighter and more luminous skin, ectoine, amino acid molecule protecting against inflammation and cellular damage,
caused by the environment, including UVA and UVB, vitamin C compound, powerful antioxidant, restoring skin's brilliance and optimal health, niacinamide, restorative vitamin with skin brightening, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating properties, supporting skin health.
Okay guys, my skin is nice and clean and you can clearly see it is so shiny and, well, shiny isn't the right word, clear and glowy and soft, and honestly it just feels so awake and oh my god, I just look at it. Look at it! Ah! And it's my actual skin that feels like that. It doesn't feel like product that's making it look like that. It's just gently, beautifully exfoliated. And if you noticed in the video, it didn't even give you like this big obnoxious lather that's like stripping your skin and making your skin dried out and just like leaving you tight after. This gives you a gentle hydration, beautifully like balanced canvas when you're done, and it's just worth every penny. I highly recommend it. My skin just looks so clear and it's just looks honestly like it's ready to take on the day. My skin just looks totally enhanced and I'm ready to just apply the rest of my Auteur skincare routine. So you guys stay tuned on my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of other Auteur products. I'm gonna link all of the Auteur products I have below. Of course, I'll be linking this one, so definitely stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, definitely subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of these products. Let me know your favorite skincare brands, your favorite skincare products, and I will be uploading more videos like this in the future. Also follow me on Instagram if you want to see what's going on in my personal life. Join me on this fun skincare journey. I love you guys. Stay tuned and stay flawless. Love you. Bye.